What is going on today, guys? It's your boy Nick's Gaming back once again. Today we are bringing you another stream do-it-yourself video. Well guys, if you guys are new to the stream do-it-yourself series, in this series guys, we are discussing a bunch of different ways to either save you guys time or money while advancing in your streaming careers. Well guys, in this video we're going to be getting into some very practical ways to use your stream as a revenue source, how to bring some money in from this revenue source. Now guys, please keep in mind that just because you have these set up does not mean you're gonna make money right off the bat. You're gonna need to, it's all about how you are pushing it, who you're pushing things to, how you're using them in your stream, and we're going to be discussing some proper ways to use each of these revenue sources in turn leading off of your stream, or how to use them with your stream. So without any further ado guys, let's jump into it. But before we do, if you guys are in the market for a new PC, go check out Evolve Gaming and use our discount code NIX. That will actually help support the channel here guys. If you guys are new around here, we do stream to Twitch, and we do invite you to come on in to our Twitch chat and come hang out with us, discuss this topic further, discuss other streaming or gaming related topics, and that would be at Nick's Official. But without any further ado, let's learn how to make some money using our streams. Alright guys, we're going to be discussing some simple and practical ways to use your stream to make some money without being one of those pushy, greedy, money hungry streamers that we have all seen everywhere. So what I mean by that is don't be going overboard with it guys. Don't be shoving it in people's faces. Don't be pushing it down people's throats. Really guys, it's gonna make you in turn seem, whether it's intentional or not, it's gonna make you seem like all you do is care about the money, where really guys, you should be trying to build that relationship with your audience, with your viewers, and having ways to make money on the side if people want. Never make people feel obligated. But that gets into our first kind of topic here guys, which is going to be affiliate codes. Affiliate codes are probably the most dangerous one or way I have on this list. It's the one that you see people have way too much of. It's the one where you see that people have like 18 codes with different companies and advertising all of them. It does not make them look loyal to one brand, and that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to make you look loyal to one brand, and in turn, people think of you when they come across that product. So, in turn, we have Player One Coffee as one of ours. So, how I use that in my everyday stream without pushing it down people's throats is I drink 95% of the time. When I'm on stream, I'm drinking coffee. I drink a lot of coffee, guys. Probably I would say 90% of my day is me drinking coffee or hot chocolate. And in turn, Player One Coffee represents me as a person very, very well. I personally buy their coffee, so when I'm sitting there with my stream, I'm like, oh yeah, by the way, right? Or people bring up what's in the cup. I'm like, oh, actually here. This is what we have, and this is what they do, and we have a code for them. Or like at the beginning of the beginning of the video, you guys seen our Evolve Gaming code. Didn't feel necessarily obligated because I have it set up that, or I laid it out that if you were in the market for a new PC, so if that was an option for you, go check them out. Not go buy or go use our code, but go check them out, and if you want to buy them, then use our code. and you'll help support us. Those are some very, very good ways, but make sure, guys, you either 1, use the brand yourself, or 2, know that it's a very, very good and reputable brand that's not some sort of scam brand that's like ripping people off or something like that, because you never want to reflect that. The next way is also very, very popular, and that is going to be a donation link. A donation link, we're gonna recommend Streamlabs, but there is lots. PayPal has a direct link as well, but Streamlabs is the one that we personally choose because it displays an overlay or a notification on our stream when someone donates, and it's hooked up with all our widgets and stuff like that. All you're going to want to do is go to streamlabs.com and of course hit log in. Of course, before we get any farther into Streamlabs, we're going to want to make sure you guys realize as well that we're going to link a bunch of affiliate code options in the description below that we know have affiliate sponsorships, but please, guys, please do not go and use those exact ones if they don't represent your brand. I guarantee you, if they're not that great for you, you can find one that better represents you. I 100%, 110% guarantee you that you'll find one that will represent and work better for you if you choose to not use one of those, or they don't necessarily work for your brand, or you don't want to try them out. There's a guarantee Amazon has an affiliate code program. Very, very easy to find one that better represents you and that you have tried. Now let's talk about donation links. You're not gonna, once again, make people feel obligated. Post it on your Facebook, on your Twitter page, on your Instagram, in the description of your live stream, make a panel for it, on your Twitch extensions, something like that, and just say, hey guys, if you are liking this and you want to support, check our description, or go check out our Twitter page, or go check out our Instagram bio, whatever it may be. You're not going to want to shove it in people's faces, but all you're going to do after you're signed in here on Streamlabs is just go into the donation history, and there will be a donation link right here. This is your personal donation link. You're obviously going to want to go into the settings and have everything set up to be sent to your PayPal, so that Streamlabs isn't just collecting a debt to you, pretty much. And it's a good option for when people don't really care about getting something in return, but they want to donate because they do like you. Now, the last kind of way we're going to discuss is also very popular as well, but a lot of people don't know that it's actually free to do, and it's very, very easy to do if you're doing it right. So once again, we're going to be talking about merch. You've probably seen us talk about merch in a whole lot of other videos, because we absolutely love merch. It is the way I've made probably the most money in my streaming career, to be 100% honest with you. More than stars, more than subscribes, more than anything. Affiliate codes, donation links. I've sold more merch and made more money that way through the different programs. We have a couple different stores set up, but there we go. And how you're going to want to do that is find your merch store. So, for example, Streamlabs, like we were just discussing, has a merch store. Personally, I wouldn't recommend it as a complete full merch store, just as a highlighted one, like that's what we do. We use Teespring, which is more of a t-shirt company than Streamlabs is. This is what they specialize in. In turns, you're going to get a better product for a better price coming out, and the fact that they're pretty popular lets them let the creators make even more money than normal without being too expensive for the customer. That's personally why we choose Teespring, but again, there's lots of different ones. If you have an iOS device, we've also used Rageon in the past and made a lot of money over there as well. But again, Teespring, you're just gonna want to hit start designing. But the way you're gonna make your money is not by your face and logo on a t-shirt. You're gonna want to create some sort of t-shirt that you would buy. Some sort of cool design, some sort of something on the t-shirt that you would actually buy at a decent price. And like I said before, there's nothing wrong with putting your logo on it somewhere, or having a t-shirt with your logo on it for those people that do want that. But for example, I release probably 3 new designs a week or every couple weeks on my merch stores of different designs, so people know if they come back, I'm gonna have new stuff. In turn, when people go and they're satisfied with a t-shirt that I designed, or they do like it and they want to check it out because they've come across more money, they know that they could come back and there's going to be some new stuff there. So you really got to make sure that you're designing new products. If you're not designing new products that go kind of with whatever your brand may be, if it's gaming, then gaming. If it's gaming on a certain game, then maybe create some sort of saying or use some sort of saying out of that game or something to do with that game on your t-shirt or on your sweater, and in turn it's gonna relate to more people. More people are gonna find it funny, more people are gonna like it, and therefore when you bring it up on stream or you buy one of your t-shirts and you're wearing it and they're like, hey, that's kind of funny, or I kind of like that shirt, they know it's on your merch store and they can get it as well. So guys, once again, without being too pushy, you can use these 3 very simple methods to make a little bit of money. 1, a donation link, simply posted somewhere on your descriptions or bios or page or something, with the occasional kind of shout out. There's nothing wrong with that, and you may see people actually donating if you're not pushing it down people's throats. Merch, and designing new merch every single kind of week or fairly often. Doesn't need to be on a time interval. Just fairly often releasing new stuff in there for people to buy is going to create repeat customers, repeat people that are in your community that like your t-shirt, and in the end, or hoodies and stuff. And in the end of the day, after a year, after a couple years, you're going to see that some of those people that have been around that whole time have a whole wardrobe of your merch. Guaranteed. And the next is affiliate codes, but if you're careful and only use brands that represent you and that you personally enjoy and you personally like I have, you can use them properly as well and make a little bit of money off of them. So guys, that will conclude it for this video. Remember, if you do like this video and this series, guys, make sure to like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We are trying to grow our channel here once again, and if you guys want to discuss this further or discuss other ways, because there is more than just three ways. If I was to make a video on every way I knew to make money on the internet using your stream, we would be here for like 5 hours. So guys, if you do want to get more into a discussion with that, feel free to hop on over to our Twitch page, which is Nick's Official, and hit us up with a chat and say, hey, I'm from one of your YouTube videos, I want to discuss this, and I would be more than willing, more than happy, I would actually be pleasured to discuss it with you guys. So until next time, guys, peace.